What's up, guys? It's me, the unboxing guy, and today me and my sister are gonna be unboxing the sidekick pack. This is my sidekick, my sister's toys, cause you know the starter pack. So I'm gonna be unboxing, and she's gonna take out the figures. Or do you want to unbox it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll unbox this. The back shows all the other characters. Okay. You saw that duck face. Okay, so you can take out the stuff.
Okay.
Take it out. No, come on, man. You have to learn a lot. Alright, so wow. He usually took me a lot quiet. Alright, so we got Mrs. Incredible here. Ooh, she's really skinny, like really light. That's cool. We got Barbosa. Barbosa, if you guys speak Spanish, that means idiot. I think, yeah. Barbosa. He has a monkey in his arm. That's kind of funny. Me and my sister always laugh about it. Apparently, she doesn't laugh about it now. This is really well done. If you touch the hat, it feels like it has dust. No, I'm just joking. Which pretty much you don't feel. Like Mike, really good character. Look at this. He has braces like in Monster University. Really cool character. So I'm gonna end off the video here. I'm gonna be showing you how they look in partners. So we got Mr. Incredible, Mrs. Incredible. We got Sully and Mike. I don't know how you like watching it. We got Captain Jack Sparrow and Barbosa, and those are the only figures for now. We might be getting other packs like Cars or Toy Stories, which might be coming out in October, November. And we might get Cars, Lone Ranger. Those are the only thing. We're not going to be collecting the whole thing. We will be getting the so like those only play sets. I won't be getting add-ons like Mater for Cars or like Randy or Dash. Dash I really want, but I'm not getting. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next videos in a couple of months. Peace.